What is up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're going to be doing some more gunfights, and today I'm with Grim Magic. A good friend of mine. Yep. Yeah, I don't mind him. But today we're going to be playing some gunfights, so yeah. Yeah, the next video I'm going to do, I Road to Gold for the draw. And yeah, I don't have much more for it, and I'm just gonna post a video on doing that. Like, I'm really close. If you see, I only need one more splinter, one more topo, but it's like I need 10 more mounted kills and 23 more long shot kills, which I do not think I probably am gonna do a part 2 to it. Get one of them done, and then part 2 is going to be getting the other one done.
Gunfight.
So
eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag to win.
Be doing some gunfights. I already did a gunfight with Zach, Akirika, and today I'm going to be doing a fight with Gavin.
Kill them all.
Yeah,
or
he's
die
not too, but yeah, couldn't change his name on Xbox, but in the game you might. To the left.
One round finished. Do not let them breathe.
Bro, that guy had so many shots on me and I still won. Yeah, I seen that. There's gonna be a guy going to like the side tower.
You are the last. Fight or die.
Oh! Wait.
10 seconds.
How did you... Are you dead?
Objective in play. Go after it. We're securing the objective. 2 wins down. Keep up the pressure.
I got it.
No mistakes, no prisoners.
Oh. To the left. Around the bridge. I lasered the guy.
That's a 4-win streak. Show me 5.
Oh, they left. They left. Well, me and Gavin won. They left. Another match. Yes. Yeah, they were kind of booty. Do 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 do. name is TikTok. Talk. Great names. Not really. Oh, little buddy left. Yep. Yeah.
Gunfight. Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag to win.
45 ACP.
Ready, stay frosty.
Where is he? Yep.
We've taken the advantage. Make sure we keep it.
Oh, what's near the bridge? Like near the little bridge on the side. Right on top. Wow, this game really does lag. He's booty! He is booty,
2 wins down. Keep up the pressure.
Yes. Yeah.
Head in. Stay frosty.
Yeah, basically.
Three up, 3 down. Keep going.
I want to keep going. Maybe it got caught up this hill, I already know. Oh, over there. Oh!
Shake it off.
I got
Focus on
so
the
many
next
shots. I
round.
jumped in front of the fire. I jumped in front of your fire. Watch this, watch this. Oh, I'm not lucky.
Head in. Stay frosty.
Shotguns. Frick. Ah!
We're losing ground. Let's take it back.
Where is he?
It's down to you. Get it done.
Oh, okay.
We've got him on the ropes. Don't let your guard down. All right, lads, get in there.
What now?
wins down. Keep up the pressure. This is match point. Go for the knockout.
Yeah, me and Gavin would have destroyed them if they were fucking lightweight. Even though we still did, but like, they would have probably left by now. Oh, I hit one!
That gave them something to think about. Good work.
I'm watching it back in the replay. I'm gonna stream it now. Yeah, guys. Ooh, I like this map. Battle. I can't see because my little streak thing is in the way. What is it? 4? Yeah. It's after now.
Gunfight. Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag to win.
I have to use water for long range work.
Let's get this done.
Oh, it's snake shot. It's snake shot. Okay.
That's it, lads. On to the next round. Get ready.
I'm messing with this guy. I'll let him kill me. I'll let him kill me. Up top, yeah. Body guy's low. Yeah, the other one's low. It's freak. But yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's over there.
2 wins
No, you're
down.
not.
Keep up the pressure. Triggers pulled. Let's go.
But that guy's neck snapped when you shot him.
Three up, 3 down. Keep going.
It's like, vertical. Tried to shot him. Look at that! Uh-huh.
That's a 4-win streak. Let's see 5. Give them a proper English
Oh,
welcome.
these guys are getting freaking destroyed. And guys, Gavin ain't bad. His internet's actually kind of
One
good.
round for the win. Make it happen.
He really ain't making excuses. Yeah.
We're losing ground. Let's take it back.
would have been cool and took you down at least or something.
One more and we got this. Let's go.
Yep. Don't do that, dude. Wood. To the right. Middle, maybe? Oh, stand out in you. Behind you. I heard his footsteps.
One
I heard his
round gone.
footsteps.
We're
I
not
think
dead
you
yet,
had
are
a
we,
big
lads?
leg spike. What is for you?
This is match point. One more win. Let's see it.
We got this. Nice. Ah, damn. Spawn again. Oh, yeah, you got him. Oh, no. This guy's retarded.
10 seconds.
Get him. Get him with the takedown.
Objective
Yes!
on the field. Go get
Yeah! Oh my god.
Hard fought. Well earned.
No. It doesn't let me edit that though. It go through the whole thing though. I don't want to lose it that I don't sit back. Huh. No. You can still get copyrighted though.
Gunfight.
I don't know how H works.
Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag to win.
That sucks. 24 hours a day. Hey, so how many videos have you recorded?
Give 'em a proper English welcome.
15,363. Watch that grenade. It's gonna kill him. Just say. Oh, I got him.
Set the tempo. Keep it up in the next round. Two wins down. Keep up the pressure.
Did you see how fast that trailer trigger was with that guy fell?
Head in. Stay frosty.
Ooh. God.
3 up, 3 down. Keep going. You're the last one. Watch your ass.
Where you at? I feel like he's kept it in cool.
Objective on the field. Go get it.
Oh!
That's a 4-win streak. Let's see 5.
As soon as I see him, I spun around so fast. God, that guy's...
Trigger pulled. Let's go.
Oh my god, that guy's illegal with that. And I suck with that. Ah.
We're losing ground. Let's take it back.
Oh my god. Oh.
This round's ours. Stay sharp for the next one.
Wait, what are you trying to do?
One round for the win. Make it happen.
I kind of saved you there because as he just going along.
Hard fought. Well earned.
Oh my god. He had his pistol up. Bruh. Yeah, I was thinking about that. Yeah. Yeah. No. Push. I'd rather play trios. He's kind of booty at. Yeah, he's kind of booty, but it's okay.
Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag to win.
We're gonna say he's booty, and then now we're gonna get destroyed by these guys.
They are like meat to the grinder.
This guy goes through the crates on mine. Nice.
That's
Oh, that's cool. Oh. You meathead.
all right. Get to work.
What do you mean? Like... Yeah, but like, what do you mean by money bite?
Complete the mission, soldier. You're the only one left.
Oh. Oh, yeah. No! It
We
didn't
lost
throw!
that one. Step it up.
Yeah. I got it like 2 inches from my head. What did I put in paddles? Like I was...
It's down to you. Finish it.
Yeah. I see you up there.
We've got him on the ropes. Don't let your guard down. Time to earn a living.
No!
We're losing ground.
Like,
Take
how
it
did he
back.
see me? Wow. Wow, you lucky. I got one. Yeah. Freak, yeah. Whip out your pistol. Oh, I thought that was... I think they're on top. Oh. Nice.
We've set the tempo. Keep it up next round. Remember, it's just business.
Don't do that, you're gonna die.
That's 2 wins down. Keep pushing.
Got him!
Match point. Finish the mission.
What are we doing? Oh. Yeah.
Stand down. They've had enough
I was
for one
going
day.
quick and I wasn't thinking. So I took them down. I wasn't thinking, guys. I'm not. You can ask, like, when we're off camera playing, you can ask them. I am not quick at thinking. I just go in. Oh. End of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss out on a video. And I will see y'all later. Goodbye.